Kita telah bersetuju membagikan peranan masing-masing. Kementerian semua asli alam sekitar akan menjadi focal point dan merancang pembinaan tempat pandai ini. Lepas ianya dibina, ia akan diserah kepada Kementerian oleh Persekutuan dan Kesejahteraan Bandar melalui Padanan Putrajaya yang akan menguruskan pandai itu selepas ia tiba di negara kita nanti. So the management will be done by the Padanan Putrajaya. At the same time, kita telah pun mengadakan satu kerjasama dengan Universiti Putra Malaysia, specifically with the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine. Peranan mereka adalah untuk menyediakan kemudahan hospital, khidmat hospital untuk pandai ini. Kerana UPM only 10 minutes away from this place, and they have one of the best veterinary hospital in the country. They have the experts, they have the facilities, and so we are really very appreciative that they also bersama-sama kita join hand together to ensure the success of this program. What it means that we don't have to build separate bigger veterinary facilities for our panda di sini. Kena 10 minit dari sini memang dah ada kemudahan veterinary untuk panda kita. Perancangan kita lepas ini kita akan melantik konsultan. Lepas itu kita merancang supaya pembinaannya dapat dibuat dalam tempoh yang terdekat. Amin. So kita harap facilities itu dapat siap dibina dalam 12 bulan from the date yang kita mula pembinaan nanti, which we are not sure, depend on the consultant. The estimate cost of the facilities is 30 million, 30 juta. This is a rough estimate, of which 50% will be borne by one MDB, as has been promised by one MDB to our Yang Amat Berhormat the Prime Minister, as announced during the signing of the agreement. The other issue that we are looking at is we are sending the samples of our bamboo. We have at least 26 species of bamboo. 5 species is known to be suitable, but the rest we are sending the species bamboo to China to see whether they are compatible as a food for this panda. So if more species of our bamboo is suitable for panda food, that means our planting program can be reduced. Nevertheless, Forest Research Institute of Malaysia has been entrusted to plan the planting of bamboo to ensure the supply of bamboo for the requirement of the panda later on will be sufficient.
Some conservationists look at criticize that we should spend more money on our own.
Yeah, I explained in Parliament that this panda program does not sacrifice our program on our own conservation program. Our Tiger National Conservation Plan are on track, and all other conservation program yang kita ada berjalan dengan lancar. Bahkan sekarang now we are building viaduct, cost us 60 million. Viaduct is because some of our road are passing through jungle, so we're building facilities so that our wild animal will not be knocked by a car, but have a place for it to cross. And we continue to ensure that we have enough forest cover to meet the requirement of our animals and so on. So to us, there is no sacrifice.
Dr. Sri, so the building cost is 30 million and the renting cost of the two pandas is 20 million for 10 years, is it? So total is 15 million lah. So
No. I think you try to play with figures. The construction for the building tadi 30 juta. Tiap-tiap tahun we are paying 3 million or 1 USD million for conservation fee to China.
Dr. Suri, then what is the cost of the upkeep cost if you're going to plant the bamboo and feeding the panda? Because recently there's a zoo in Atlanta.
According to the feedback that we get, operation cost berapa?
We have a detail. We will submit in cabinet later on. We have detail work out.
Ya, kita dah ada.
Yeah.
We prefer to have a study first.
Yes.
but we see the conservation cost and the rest of the cost is so high. So is the government confident that they will be able to gain more profit more than the cost?
You looks very skeptical. How do you evaluate the diplomatic relationship created by this goodwill? Because I think you are aware, I think in the world, berapa 12 countries.
We are 13.
We are the 13 country yang dapat this privilege. So that I don't think we can value that in dollars and cents, because it shows how close are we China. China a very important country. Malaysia regarded that as an important country. That's why this event will be one of the event that will mark the 40th anniversary relationship between us and China. And I'm sure as a Chinese you understand how important this relationship that has been established in the past. But in addition to that, kalau kita, if you look at this period of Thailand, for the first year they managed to attract almost 800,000 visitors to the park. 850,000. 850,000. We might not be able to attract that many, but we are working out certain figures. So from there, from the financial point of view, probably that can easily cover the operation cost plus the cost of the conservation fee.
How many we are targeting?
120. Oh, you mean the visitors?
The visitor, yes.
We are looking at probably conservatively 300,000
Per year.
because we are limited by the capacity.
Yeah.
The capacity will be the limiting factor for this panda.
MalaysiaKini.com.
For the Malaysia Kini.